Hey guys, what's up? So today I'm going to do an unboxing of a product that I've been really excited to receive, and I was hoping that the company was going to make this product even before it came out, or was announced at least. This is a deep conditioner and it's from Melanin Hair Care line. So I was really excited to order the product, and I've been using Melanin products since they launched in 2018. I first began using the multi-use pure oil blend and the twist elongating style cream. And then earlier this year, I incorporated the African Black Soap Reviving Shampoo. So I love all of the products. I love the line. I did another video on it, and also showed you guys how I do my wash and goes using these different products. These products are very moisturizing. I really love the products. So I'm going to show you guys what I purchased. So this is the box. There we go. Handy dandy. Box cutter. So you guys, I hope my phone doesn't ring. I always cut it off, and it just flashed. I must have got an email, but I usually cut it off. Let me cut it off. The name of the conditioner is the Plumping Deep Conditioner. It came with 3 themes, and the first thing is a lollipop. This is so cute. It's the Melanin, what's it called? Melanin lollipop. I almost don't want to eat it. It's so cute. But I probably will. I don't know. I only ordered the deep conditioner, but the lollipop came with the order. And then the stretch satin hair wrap. This is pretty. I love this color. This polka dot. Ooh, it's nice. So soft. Let's open it to see. Oh wow, it is really, really long. I don't know if you guys can see it. Well, of course you can't see it. You can't see all of it, but yeah, it is really pretty. I love this. I'm gonna have to figure out how to style it and then show you guys. I love hair wraps, and I wear hair wraps from time to time, but they're usually just like really simple styles. They're not like anything really elaborate, because I've seen some really nice ones in the past, but I really love this, and I love the color, and it's really satiny and smooth. I just gotta figure out how to style it, and then I will wear it. This is a really beautiful color. So, really beautiful. I'm so silly. It's really beautiful on me. I really love this color. But this is gorgeous. I love it. The Plumping Deep Conditioner. So, this is it right here. It's silkening and strengthening. There's no sulfates, no parabens, no mineral oil, no formaldehyde hydrates. no other word is either, but no. I'll put it on the screen to save myself the embarrassment from trying to pronounce it. So this is the product again, and I'm gonna open it. I am so excited. I cannot wait to use this product. I just absolutely love all of Melanin Hair Care products. Okay. Uh-oh. That's what it's looking like. It's a light scent. It's not like really fragrant, and I know some people don't like a lot of fragrance because it causes headaches, or they just don't like it, or it kind of clashes with perfumes that they wear. But it's really light, the smell is. And when I first opened it, I almost thought I smelled a hint of lemon, but yeah, I'm not sure what it is. So this is what it looks like. So it's not really like overly thick, but it's really smooth, and yeah, I really like the smell. I like the feel. I cannot wait to try this. I'm sure it's gonna work really well with my hair, because all the other products are really, I mean, they're really moisturizing. At one point I was going through problems with a lot of dryness, but since I've been using the Melanin Hair Care line, I don't have problems with dryness unless, you know, I just go for a long period of time without doing my hair. And when I say long period, I don't mean long like some people mean long, but when my hair starts to dry out, I mean, it just does, especially in the humidity, when it, you know, when it's really humid or hot outside. But yeah, I really love it. Where to purchase the Plumping Deep Conditioner? You can purchase that at Sephora and Target online. It's $32, and I'm sure it's well worth it. It's 16.1 fluid ounces, and when it says a little goes a long way, I mean, I've had my jar of Twist Elongating cream for, oh my gosh, so many wash and goes. I mean, it's been like through the whole summer, past the whole summer, and I still have some, so I just use a little, you know. And I'm sure it's the same with this product, you know, not to go like ham and crazy with it, because I mean, there are some deep conditioners where you have to use a lot, but I mean, her products just, you know, they do what they say they do. So I don't feel like you're gonna need a lot to get the benefits of this deep conditioner. So how I'm gonna use this product, I may or may not pre-poo, I'm not sure yet, but I will be using the Melanin African Black Soap Shampoo, and I'll deep condition with this, of course, leave it on for about 30 minutes. And then rinse with cool water, and then I'll kind of style as usual. I'm just going to do a wash and go. So yeah, you guys, I'm really excited about these products. Oh, I'm so excited about my wrap and my lollipop. I mean, that was very nice to receive those gifts also, and I can't wait to use, you know, the wrap and the deep conditioner. I'm just really excited. We'll come on and I'll show you guys how I use the deep conditioner, and then what my thoughts are after I use the deep conditioner. So I'll do like a little, you know, review with it, and I'm sure all the products will work well together. They're, you know, with the same line. The only thing that I'll be using different is my leave-in and then my gel. And eventually, you know, I think that I will be buying the Melanin leave-in also. I haven't tried that yet, but I've just about tried everything else in the line. Subscribe to see more beauty, hair, and lifestyle content every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and comment below if you're going to try the Plumping Deep Conditioner. Stay healthy and happy, and remember to keep pursuing your goals, plans, and dreams. You got this. Bye, guys.